PTSD,
Hey, yo, listen up, man. Y'all need to stop playing with us, alright? Play no fucking game, and y'all call me service, alright? Everybody pay taxes for y'all, so treat us like a fucking human being. We your boss. You got the game. Yeah, you hear me? We are your boss. Every time you see us, treat us like gods. You stupid mother.
That's what I'm talking about, gang.
I'm playing with me, huh?
Así mismo, pan.
Y'all tía, bro. Out of here.
The prosecution dirty, the lawyers is corrupt. Police getting away with it, then Eli interrupts. So why you think I'm getting loud with it? I grew up getting locked up, and I'm not gonna ride with it.
The people's guys here. Subscribe to his service. We gotta get them subscriptions up. Get them subscriptions. Get them vibes up.
I've been to jail 50 times, and 50 times I done do. Out of those 50 times, they gave me 50 deals of book. And after all this happened, yeah, you see me, I'm fine. I had to start from zero more than 50 times.
Let me see that shit, man.
I'm from LA, fool. I'm from LA. Search that shit. Ah, no
right
shit.
Right there, the first one. Subscribe to my.
Subscribe, though. Subscribe.
We got you.
Let me see. Subscribe right there. Subscribe to my shit.
Already done. Oh.
I don't fuck with dirty cops. You heard? Keep your look at him. Look at him. My people, look at him.
Down. Listen, yeah.
Look at him. Look at him.
Listen to me. This isn't the time or the place to do everything. Stay.
Listen,
all I'm asking
stop getting close to my face, sir. Stop doing that, sir.
All I'm asking you,
sir, your breath, sir, your breath, sir, your breath. You might have COVID. You might have COVID.
Lower your voice and stop making a scene.
Look at this, okay? Look at this.
Because that falls under disorderly conduct.
Look at this. Personal space. Please respect my personal space.
I can be on the sidewalk just like you can, but I'm asking you to please stay out of the street. The last thing I want you to do...
Sir, your breath, sir.
The last thing
I need your sergeant here. I need your sergeant here. You're doing this because you have a weapon. You're doing this to me because you have a weapon.
The last thing I want you to do is get hit by a vehicle.
Let's stay away from me, bro. Look what you're doing, bro. My personal space, bro.
You don't have any personal space. I'm right here. You can always back up if you
got a
want.
gun. That's why you're doing it.
You can back up. No,
you're doing it because you got a gun.
You're acting like
because you got a gun and I can't do nothing about it. You
can do whatever you want.
I'm in the sidewalk. I'm waiting for your sergeant.
That's what he wants to do. Look at this.
Point to the floor, Zay. Point to the floor.
Look where he's standing. Look where he's standing. Look where he's standing. Look where he's standing, my peeps. Y'all believe this?
Break it. Break the arm if you want. Break it. Break it.
Look at him. Look at him.
Break it. Well, pick me up at the breezes, Zay.
A few Americans are very, very wealthy, while the vast majority of we the people are having trouble saving any money at all. The solution to that problem is better jobs and more of them. However, in order to secure those jobs, you have to be qualified.
Trying to get out the hood, running out of faith. I'm asking the Lord to look out. Still with the same struggle and fighting the same battle. The wise man is hiding the way out. Are you gonna make it out? The rich is getting richer. Are you gonna make it out? The poor is getting worse. Are you gonna make it out? The middle never move. Are you gonna make it out? It's a manipulated society. Are you gonna make it out? The rich is getting richer. Are you gonna make it out? The poor is getting worse. Are you gonna make it out? The middle never move. Are you gonna make it out? It's a manipulated society.
In White Plains, New York. You heard that my last arrest, today's the day. We're about to go for a hearing real quick to see what they're talking about. So when we come back out, we're gonna let you know what happened. And another thing we have to do is we have to get the body cam footage as well. I think they want some money, so we're gonna find out about the money. Then we're gonna go. I think they want to check with money order. So we're just gonna find out about the money, and then we're gonna probably go get that money order and make sure that we get those body cam footage. You heard my piece? In the meantime, we're about to pull up and I'm gonna let you know what happened when we come back out. You heard?
Yo, a 1% could make it out the hood, but then the 95% of that one is coming right back. Investing 8% on education, wow, no wonder why 57% is the college dropout. 5.4% going to healthcare, 100% of those families is getting welfare. They're killing us slowly, we need unity, but at the budget all we get is 2% for the community.
I'm here to make a payment for this request. Yeah. Yes.
What's your name?
They got over there. Looks like they're giving it to the tech, my purge. They're giving it to the tech. We're here to pick up body cam footages. You heard? From the arrest that happened a couple weeks ago. White Plains PD.
You need help?
Yes.
Okay. You need help?
Yeah, you know me.
Are you need help? Oh, you guys all together?
Yeah.
All right, cool. I don't know. Hey, was there a gentleman that was just standing here? Somebody need help?
No.
No?
It was empty when we got here.
All right.
I had to get another one of my retirement cards.
Yeah, that's the people's guy. I wanna Agent P, the mother people's guy.
We got him. I paid. You heard? Just came out of the arraignment hearing that was rescheduled a month from now, my papes. So we gotta come back next month. I told the attorney to get me the footages, but guess what? You heard? Shout out to Zay TV. Damn, we got the bull games too? Oh, Lord.
for a receipt.
Signing it?
Thank you. Thank you very much. Take care. All right, my page. So now, as I was saying, we just came out the courthouse. Shout out to ZZTV. We already got the body cam footage from the arrest of White Plains. It was rescheduled for next month. Next month? Yeah, next month at the end of this month. Hopefully everything goes well. I still got the other 3 cases pending that are in Yonkers City Court. This is White Plains. I think Yonkers City Court trial starts before this one. So you already know, man. The calendar's full, my babes. You heard? Pull up to Body Cam Peeps to see what's going on here. You heard? Long respect and so will God. Thank you for following on. Make sure you hit that like button. Subscribe to ZZTV. Subscribe to the main channel, Body Cam Peeps TV, Cartoon Peeps TV. Who else, man? Eli and Espanol. You heard?
Yeah, I saw that's what I'm saying.
I'm a big fucking fan, bro. I love you on TikTok,
Yo, that's
bro.
why when I heard him, I was like, yo, what's up?
Yo, I love you on TikTok.
Why you have to shut it off for, man?
No worries.
Bro, I love your TikTok.
Yeah, so I know. But we cool now.
But you be in Long Island. You like touching me. You be in Long Island. You be
Yo, that's it's not Long Island audit. It's
Make sure everybody's camera is on. You heard? You hear all these guys? Look at him. Look at this. He just turned me. What are y'all doing?
I heard. You heard.
Don't feel
Hey, yo, middle back out.
PTSD, dirty.
Hey, yo, listen up, man. Y'all need to stop playing with us, you heard? Play no fucking game, and y'all call me service. Alright? Everybody pay taxes for y'all, so treat us like a fucking human being. We your boss. You got the game. You hear me? We are your boss. Every time you see us, treat us like gods. You stupid mother.
That's what I'm talking about, gang.
Stop playing with me, yo.
I see me, my friend.
Y'all think, bro. Out of here.
The prosecution dirty, the lawyers is corrupt. Police getting away with it, then Eli interrupts. So why you think I'm getting loud with it? I grew up getting locked up, and I'm not gonna ride with it.
The people's guy is. Subscribe to his service. Work. We gotta get them subscriptions up. Get them subscriptions. Get them vibes up.
I've been to jail 50 times, and 50 times I done do. Out of those 50 times, they gave me 50 deals of book. And after all this happened, yeah, you see me, I'm fine. I had to start from zero more than 50 times.
Let me see that shit, man.
I'm from LA, fool. I'm from LA. Search that shit. Ah, no
right
shit.
Right there. The first one. Subscribe to my.
Subscribe, though. Subscribe.
We got you.
Let me see. Subscribe right there. Subscribe to my shit.
Already done. Oh.
I don't fuck with dirty cops. You heard?